Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert Subscript in Google Slides. There is one really simple method that I recommend you to know. So first we need to open our presentation, and after that we need to select slide where we want to insert Subscript. So for example, I select the first one slide and I go to Insert tab and I click on text box. Now I draw here a simple text box and I type here text which I want to edit. So for example, I type here B1, and if I want to set this number 1 as subscript, I need to select it. I need to go to Insert tab. I need to go to Special Characters. And here we will see this window. We need to type here on this field subscript. It is very important to do it. And after that, you will see here a list of available subscripts. So if we have here number 1, we need to select here number 1. But if you will have here number 2, you will need to select here number 2, yeah? So everything depends on the char which you have here implemented. So for example, I select here this one option, subscript 1, and then subscript 1 will be implemented here. So now we need to close this window, and how you see it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.